on cruise cat today, and we're just on the way over to King Street Wharf to pick up our customers. So I thought I'd just give you a quick look at Cruise Cat. It's just a fabulous catamaran. There's the indoor cabin. You can see there's plenty of room. Really great Cruise Cat. Got the back deck out there. I'll just show you. Go out here onto the back deck. And we supplied the two big ice chests there with ice in them. For the drinks, full of ice there. For the drinks, there's two of them. And we've got the big barbecue on the back deck there. You're welcome to BYO food. So that's the big barbecue there. These are the steps up to the fly bridge. I'll go up there shortly. See the harbour bridge over there. We're just on our way over to the street. Got the toilet there. So it's really, there's heaps of room. Cruise Cat can take up to 49 passengers, and it costs $400 an hour. So, you know, when you divide that up amongst a group of people, it's not expensive. So you can see the room there, great for dancing, karaoke. It's just really, really great. Perfect party boat. Show you the front area here. We've got the cushions. People can just sit here and relax. Look at the view. Nice and close to the water. So it's just a really, really good. So you've got outside area where people can relax. You've got the indoor cabin. This is quite unique. This is upstairs there. That's where the captain drives. So this outdoor area. So there's, you know, you can have those people who like full sun and right out in the fresh air, or those who prefer to be indoors. You can be seated at tables. So we're just heading over to King Street Wharf. It's just around that next bend. We're right on time. There's the harbour bridge, and it's just a perfect day today. So back inside now. So I'll just walk you through here. So this is the big indoor cabin. Step back here a bit so that you can see it properly. Great sound system, and you can just walk out through the back here. The kitchen there, that's the crew area. There's the toilet on the back deck area there, and you just go upstairs. We're actually going past Balmain now. And I'll just show you up here. There's Captain Rock keeping an eye on everything. And this is the big fly bridge area. We can have up to 20 passengers here, and look at the view. Like, how perfect is this? People love to dance up here as well. The music comes right up to the top deck area as well. Great for dancing, or just sitting back like I'm doing now, relaxing and enjoying the view. So this is Cruise Cat, one of the most popular catamarans on the harbour, probably the most popular in that under 50 passenger capacity. So it's max 49 passengers, only costs $400 an hour. So jump onto our website, www.sydneycatamarancruises.com.au. Check out Cruise Cat, and we hope to meet you soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.